everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a review of the Kylie X The Grinch Matte Liquid Lipstick Kit. And if you want to see that video, just keep on watching. But before we get started with today's video, just like always, if you enjoyed it so far, it would be fabulous if you hit the like button down below and subscribe too, so that way you never miss when I upload. All right, everybody, let's get started. I am prepped for today's video. I have my Grinch sweatshirt on and I have the lip kit right here. And I bought this with my own money. This is not PR. This was not sent to me. I just purchased this off the website on the launch date. And I was so happy when I got the confirmation that I got this. I was so happy and so grateful. So we are just going to do a swatch first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys what each of these look like. So here is the lip pencil, and it has Kylie X The Grinch on the cap. And then it has a picture of the Grinch silhouette on the pencil. And then it says, Kylie, How the Grinch Stole Christmas lip liner. Right on the side here. Glitter is glued onto the letters, basically. And I just love that. It is so glam and it's just fabulous. So the shade name here is How the Grinch Stole Christmas, right at the very top here. And then on the back it says To and From, in case you want to give this as a gift. But in this case, it's a gift from me to me. So we are now going to get on with the swatch, and I'm going to take, oh, let me show you guys. This is so cute. For the liquid lipstick, the cap has the Grinch's head all over it. Isn't that adorable? It says Kylie X The Grinch right in the middle. And then it says Kylie Jenner on the bottom here, right there, all around this part. And so now I'm just going to swatch just the back of my hand. But first we're going to do the smell test. And this smells just like her other liquid lipsticks. It smells like buttercream frosting. So now we're just going to swatch. And this is the very first swatch. Now, yes, I opened this when I received it in the mail because I was just so excited, but I have not swatched any of these two products. So this is the very, very first swatch. So as I can see already, it's very glossy looking. So let's see how this dries down. So yeah, this is, how would I describe this? This is like a pinky red. It's not like a, how would I describe this? Okay, let me compare it to this. This is the Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lipstick. So let me just compare that color to it. So yeah, you guys can see the difference between these two. So it is drying down on my hand, as we can see from when I first swatched it. And of course, I'm sure my camera won't pick this up, but it also says the shade name on the very bottom of the tube. And this is what the lip liner looks like up close. Now I'm just going to line my lips, as I usually would. And this is very, very silky feeling. Very silky. Just glides on. It's not tugging at my lips or anything like that, so it's not uncomfortable. And I'm not sure how much I want to fill in. I might just do just a quick outline and then fill in the rest of my lips with the liquid lipstick. We're just going to fill in with the liquid lipstick. Okay, I'm already in love with this color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have a winner. Definitely, absolutely. Love this liquid lipstick. And it is drying down so quickly, you guys. Look at this. And here's the swatch from earlier. Dried down completely. And here are my lips. Let me tell you, the one thing that I may have an issue with, but I have not tested that out yet, is drinking and eating something that has oil in it. Now, with my Wet n Wild liquid cat suit liquid lipsticks, those break the oil. If I eat like a salad or something, the oil breaks down the liquid lipstick. So this feels like that's going to do that to this too. So, that would probably be my only issue, but I love the color. I love how it looks. It looks so matte and just amazing. I think it looks fabulous. Is it worth the price? Honestly, no. No. Just because it has the Grinch on it and it's by Kylie Cosmetics, I don't think it's worth the price, honestly. But I got it because it's the Grinch and it's that time of year, and I just used my hard-earned money to get it, and I figured, you know what? I have to treat myself. So I really love this lipstick. I really do. So I just want to show you guys up close. If I were to come up with another con, this is another one, maybe. This definitely shows off my lip lines. I always want to be 100% honest with you guys. So that's why I just did a close-up just to show you guys what it looks like up close. That is my honest review of this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye!